He's basically been off display for about 20 years because he was found to be unstable structurally. So the Tiberius that we see here actually was found in 1741. Most of the bronzes that we know from antiquity are either from underwater contexts or from Pompeii and Herculaneum. One of the greatest things we can do, not only in treating this piece, but really is collecting as much information as we can. So one of the things we are looking at is the ancient manufacture, but also the 18th century restoration. We are then hoping to be able to reconstruct what the statue actually looked like at its time of recovery.